Hello, today I'm going to show you how to put a new font on the Raspberry Pi. This can be helpful when we're writing with Turtle, or it could be helpful in any program that you want to use a font in. So the first thing I would do is look for the font. I would use 1001 Fonts because it's a pretty good font site. And if we click on it, it slowly will get to our fonts. Now I put in Chippewa, but you can put in any word you want right here, and then you can see how it looks in this new font. And let's take a look at this one. If I download it, it will download to my computer. I'll pause while it downloads. All right, since it's downloaded, I'm going to open up my folder. I'm going to go to Downloads, and here is our font that we had. And we can right-click on it and extract here. Because it's a zip file, we're going to unzip it. And now we have the file. We're going to look for the file that either has an .otf or .ttf. This one in particular has an .otf, and so that is exactly what we want. Now our next part is we need to take this and put it in a restricted folder. Since it's a restricted folder, we can't get to it by just dragging it to a certain part of our computer because we don't have access to that. So that's why we have a command line. A command line lets us do things that a normal computer has restrictions for. So first off, we need to figure out where this mystery folder is. And so we need to change the directory to USR, and these are forward slashes. So /USR /share fonts, and I believe it is true type, TYPE. And if I'm correct, yes, it'll show me that. And then if I do ls, it'll show me all the files in here. So here are all just folders of files. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take an actual file. So I need to make a file. So to do that, I have to do sudo, or it won't let me do it, mkdir. And this is called Belinda. So I'm going to make a file folder named Belinda. You can make a file folder, whatever name you want. Now, if you do that here, you should see Belinda or whatever you named it. And now I'm going to change the directory to Belinda. And if I do ls, you can see that there's nothing in that folder. So now I have to move this thing, this TTF that's in my downloads, all the way to this folder. To do that, what I do is first I type in sudo and then cp for copy, and then we're going to copy this location. So I'm going to say home pi downloads, and then you have to spell it exactly as it is here. Hopefully I'm doing it right. .ttf, and then space, and then you're going to tell it exactly where to put it. USR share fonts true type Belinda. If I hit enter, if I say ls, wonderful, we have a file type there. Now to check to see that it worked, we can go to our text file, or I should show you how to get to the text file. You click here, go down to accessories, text editor, and now if I go to fonts, there should be a file in there, Belinda demo, that has this new font that we can use. All right, hopefully that makes sense to some of you.